into the sky. Never let adventures pass you by. Be free and follow your crazy dreams. We're living our vision in the RV. Come ride with us and you'll be free.
We decided to camp here in Custer, South Dakota this week at a small campground called French Creek Campground. We'll work here during the day and explore the area in the evenings. We have 30 amp service only with a dump station and fresh water as well as shower facilities if needed.
Follow me out, down to the bay. Forget all the worries when you're with me. Let every wave gently kiss away some of the hardness from those brief yet gloomy days.
Came down to Sylvan Lake here this evening. Each night after work we're gonna do a little something. We're hoping to get to rent one of the slingshots and go through Needles Highway too, because this is too tall. I'm not sure how far the walk is around this lake. With these rocks in the water kind of reminds me of that, can't remember the name of the lake in Arizona.
Watson, I think.
I believe you're right.
Lake Watson.
Can't believe you remember that.
Come for you, we'll misbehave, stay up till late, share all our secrets as we let go. No more illusions, no more standing still. Our love fusion will never cease to thrill.
The gorgeous Sylvan Lake is located in Custer State Park in the Black Hills of South Dakota. It was created in 1891 when Theodore Redder built a dam across Sunday Gulch Creek. The lake area offers picnic places, rock climbing, small rental boats, swimming, and hiking trails.
So here's a little tip. If you have a van or one of these Gretsch Strata Ions and you have water leaking from when it rains and you're not sure where it's coming from and it's coming on each side of the van on the inside, it's probably coming from the roof, from the AC unit where the AC meets the roof. And the reason why is they have a gasket and sometimes those aren't tightened up just enough, or they get a little bit of movement and it causes a leak. It's pretty common. It's easy to fix. You don't have to get on the roof, take the cover off of the AC unit and make sure that the bolts are snugged up a little bit. So there's the cover right there. It's just these screws right here. There was one here, one here, one right here, and right here. So that would be these little vents right here, and they're really hard to see. You have to turn those vents just right to get to them. In the filter area, that's that area and that area, there's a screw hole there, a screw hole there, and there, and there. But before you do that, make sure you take the filters out. Before you take those screws off and before you take the cover off, those filters go in through here. And if you left them on into the cover, it would break them. They wouldn't come off unless you broke them. So what we're gonna do here is we've got a bolt here to tighten, and then we've got one here. As you can see, it cinches, this bolt cinches down the AC to the roof. And then you've got another one right here, same thing. It cinches it down to the roof around that gasket. You don't wanna go too far, because if you did, what would happen is it would squeeze that gasket too far and then it will leak. Tonight we are going to Iron Mountain Road, and we're gonna go through a couple tunnels. So we heard that it's a really beautiful drive. It is 6:45 right now, so hopefully we'll get through the best of it before it turns dark. The road's not gonna turn dark, it's gonna get dark. Yeah, I should have rephrased that.
In 14 miles, keep left onto the
called Norbeck Overlook.
Custer Wolf. That was pretty good food.
It was. Everything tasted very fresh. A nice selection. Lots of gluten-free stuff.
It's definitely a good solid 8.
Yes.
So I had the hamburger. Surprise!
I had the walleye
Po' boy.
Yep, that was good. And the potato smashers.
Yeah, it's a red potato. They smash it, they fry it in a deep fryer, and then they smash it and cook it, I think, and then fry it in a deep fryer and then put like Parmesan on it. Yeah. It's like a, I don't know, hash brown patty sort of, in a way. Yeah. But different. All right. That's all. We just wanted to let you guys know. If you come here, that's a good place to eat. Yeah. We're doing a ting.
We're doing a ting.
We're gonna rent a slingshot and go to Needles Highway. She's not driving.
Pray for us.
Then you'll hit the start button. Your park pass is right there. Make sure you point at that, otherwise they will charge you for it.
We did it. We've got one of the new 2022 slingshots. Said they just got them. One of the only ones out there around the area. It's supposed to be pretty fast. Should we see how fast it goes?
That I am not quite ready, but I think that soon I am. I know I like it, this thing, the way that you amaze me, but I'm scared as
Wanna go fast? I wanna go fast. I wanna go fast.
Yeah. Nice helmet. Ooh.
What's that?
My back is all wet from
Mine
sweating.
Too. Holy cow.
Probably from your driving.
We should have rented this on roads that we could take over 20 miles per hour.
Thank God. I don't have to go over 20.
Oh, we did. Just not in the park.
Very fun, though.
Maybe a couple times.
This is well worth it. This is very fun.
Hey,
Sure.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within, calling. This heavy load got under your skin, hauling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right.
Woo! Let's see what this baby will do. Shake and bake, baby. Shake and bake.
It's shake and bake time. Boy, Cal, I don't like the way you're talking out there. Damn the torpedoes!
I think I ate a bug. How fun.
That was a blast.
That was so fun.
So it was $200 to take it out for 2 hours. And we did the whole Needles Highway in less than 2 hours.
Yeah.
And we stopped twice.
Yes.
Yeah, we stopped twice. And
Took photos.
I don't know, I think we probably stopped for 15 minutes total.
Yeah.
Probably.
I'd say so.
So just so you have a good idea of how much time you might need to go through Needles Highway from Custer, a complete round trip. If you want to rent one of the Slingshots, they're fun. And the tires might bark once in a while.
And hope you don't have somebody driving that thinks they're a race car driver.
Well, we've spent Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and now it's Friday here in the little town of Custer, South Dakota. This is a really good place to come. Like if you want to be centrally located where you can go to many different things, right in the town of Custer is really nice. Another good thing is this park is located really close to the main strip, so you can walk if you want to from your RV and just go to these different places, all these different restaurants. This place right over here we went to last night, and they had a band. I actually got to listen to a little bit of it right before we left and didn't have to pay the cover charge because we were eating before. But the location, you can't beat it. If that's what you're kind of looking for, you want to be secluded, then of course go out to your like state campgrounds or some of the other boondocking areas. But again, we didn't, because once we got here, I think it was Sunday evening, it was getting late and we didn't want to drive clear back away. So we just decided to stay here and splurge a little bit. We paid $220 some for the, what is it, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 nights. No, wait, we had Sunday night also, so it's 5 nights. So we paid a little over $220 some for 5 nights. When we first got here, we chose the electric only site because they have a free dump station, and since this is our vehicle that we disconnect every night after work, if we need to dump and get fresh water, we just do it right over here at their station. So it saved us, I think it was about $10 to save if you don't need water and sewer. And then on the last day, yesterday, the manager here, very nice guy, came and asked me if we would move for 1 night, and he apologized because their system, they had somebody booked and didn't know, and the system was kind of messed up. But we had no problem with that, so we came over here to a full hookup site right here on the end. It's actually a very nice site. We'd definitely come here again. We seriously would. And the guy that manages this place takes very good care of it and takes care of his customers. We've witnessed that a few times. Can't believe we're leaving Custer already.
I know. I really love this whole area.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
I want to come back. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click that little bell, and hit that thumbs up. See you next week.